Hey,
Hey.
this is the Brittany and Shanna Webcast Show, or
BS.
BS. And we're going to put a little puppet show on for you guys. And we have a guest star. That's Deirdre. So, we'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Tyrone. Nice to meet y'all.
I like ping pong.
Her name is William. William Wong.
Hey, I'm a drunk mailman. I like beer. My name's Jared.
That's my mailman. His name is Jared.
Hey, Tyrone.
Hi, mailman.
What's been going on with you?
Yo, you cannot wear that hat like that. Now that's right.
Thanks, Tyrone. I got some mail for you.
Oh dear, do you now?
Yes, hold on a second.
Hello.
Hi, when did you get here?
I came out of nowhere.
Oh, that's interesting.
I'm Asian.
Yeah, I know. Got a strange accent there.
I'm back.
Oh, hey.
Got
Here's
your
your-
mail. Do you want it?
Yeah. Oh, dear Lord. It's my favorite. It's KFC. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Ah. Oh, good. Oh, where's everyone go? Oh, damn. Everyone's gone. Hey, well, I'm Tyrone, if you didn't know.
Already knew that.
Say what? Oh, yep. All right. I took that sucker's hat off. Look at that sucker. Yeah, that's right, I'm going. Bye. Ah!